Congratulations on purchasing your first domain name and hosting. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your hosting with cPanel. At the end of this video, you're going to be able to log into your WordPress dashboard. Here we see WordPress dashboard, and from this step on, you're going to be able to upload your themes and all that good stuff. So you're going to be able to start building your first WordPress website. What you have to do is to log in your cPanel account. You received your login information from your hosting provider, so just log to the cPanel, and when you're going to be logged in, you're going to see a screen similar to this one. What you need to do next is just scroll down to the software tab and click on WordPress Manager. Click the install button, and that's gonna bring you to this screen here. On this screen, we're gonna set up all the installation information for your new WordPress website. Here you choose the HTTPS or HTTP protocol for your website. I always recommend you to go with HTTP, and for that you have to also purchase and install the SSL certificate on your domain name. That's gonna be done by your hosting provider from which you're gonna purchase your SSL certificate. So when you purchase the hosting, make sure you also purchase the SSL certificate, and the hosting company will install your SSL certificate on your domain name. If you already purchased SSL certificate, choose the HTTPS option. If you haven't purchased SSL certificate yet, choose the HTTP option. Here on the next step, choose the domain name on which you want your WordPress to be installed on. So I have here the domain created just for the purpose of this video. And on that step, you decide the directory on which the WordPress is gonna be installed. I recommend you to leave that space blank, and that's gonna mean that the WordPress is gonna be installed in the root directory. Here you choose the version of WordPress you want to install, but always the default option is going to be the newest version of WordPress, so just leave that as the default. Here we have a settings of our website, and the site name is basically the main name of our website. We're going to enter the name of our website. Don't worry, you can always change these settings later. And here on this step, site description, we're going to enter the meta tags for our website. That's basically just the description of our website, what is on our website. That brings us to the next step, which is admin account. I strongly advise you to choose strong admin username and a strong password. That's going to be one of the best ways to ensure your account is going to be safe. And here, just click this key to generate a very strong password for you. Here, choose the admin email account. If we scroll a little bit further, we choose the language of the website. I'm just going to leave that in English. And here is the advanced options tab. Here under advanced options tabs, you really don't need to do anything. Just click install. And now the WordPress is going to install for us, and that's going to take a couple of minutes. Great, so now the WordPress is installed for us. And here we can see the link of our website, and here is the administrative URL. That is basically the URL you're going to be using to log into your WordPress dashboard. If we click this link, it's gonna take us to our website. So that's how our website actually looks like right now. And if we go back and click this link takes us to our WordPress dashboard, and it looks like this. So that was it. Now you learned how to install WordPress on your hosting. And if you want to learn how to grow your small business online, make sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure to watch my other videos.